Scrappy friends, this is Mags from Mags Graphics, and this video is to show off the Everyday Floral Masks and Effects, which is a pack of 9 12-inch floral masks, as well as their corresponding effects. These work in under your Embellishments tab, and also will show up under the Frame tab. Go over here to that so we have it in both sections. So I'm going to hide this preview. And we've got some stacked papers under here, just different sizes. And the first option you have is always to just add from the page. And you can see that it is a cutout shape. And of course, you could go over to the format ribbon and you could fill with any color that you want, or choose one from this page, or choose one that's matches a little bit better. And then from there, you could go up to the filter ribbon, surface, choose any kind of texture that you like, and add to it. And you can also add in a shadow so that it's lifted off the page. And then, of course, underneath, you could include a pattern paper, a solid paper, or if you wanted to put in a frame, you could put one the full size and then drop your picture in behind it, which makes for a really striking layout. The other thing, though, that you can do with these is to apply them. Oops, let's go to here. Apply them to the paper that you have on your page. And to do that, you'll slide over to the Frames panel instead. And here, when we click on this paper, we can right-click or double-click, but apply this frame. And now you can see that it added it to this paper. It's sort of the absolute opposite of what I did before. Before I added the mask and then put color or paper over it. This time I'm starting with my paper and applying a mask to it. The difference is that if I don't like this one on this paper, I can easily choose another one. And let me go ahead and add a rectangle behind, just so that you can see a little bit better what's going on here. Okay. And it's easy just to apply a different mask by double-clicking or right-clicking and applying to this frame. It has a lot of beautiful different options on here. And whether you make it smaller like this page was, or if we go, let's see, to a full-size paper. There we go. I can apply it. Oops, I think I applied it to the wrong layer. There we go. And you can see here that it applied to the larger shape as well. It is geared for a square. You can do a rectangle, but I would try to keep it as close to a square as possible. Too much and it will start to skew. Because it was built for a square, since a lot of our books are in 12 by 12 or 10 by 10. But a lot of possibilities with these floral masks. A neat way just to highlight, maybe you have a big garden picture and you want to add this as a frame around it. Maybe you want it to be more of a solid versus a pattern paper. Maybe you want to put a different gradient or other options on top that'll make it really striking. We could go over here. Let's see here. Format, gradient, and let's pick one. Let's see if it'll add it on there. It's thinking. There we've got a gradient on here. So there are a lot of different effects that you can do with masks and mask effects, and I know you will have fun with these floral ones. Thanks for watching.